Hey ICA, it's so good to see you. I'm super excited to share this with you. You see, the last several years, many of you who know me understand that I wrote a book and we put together a website, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. You see, I think financial advisors are facing a headwinds when we talk about fee compression and we talk about the regulators and we talk about articulating our value to our clients. But we also have a ton of strengths. We're totally independent. You have a home at ICA with a great group of people that you can rely and trust on. And we have opportunities. We have opportunities to separate ourselves from all the rest of the pack. But here's what's really cool. We created a website years ago to use to articulate our value, and now we're rolling it out to you. You see, we're going to allow Investment Centers of America Group, those advisors, to use this website. Talk to Chad and Kelly, and they're on board. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll this out in different waves. So the first 15 offices that sign up, we're going to roll this out to you. We're going to do training and you're going to have the ability to use it. But here's what the website does. The website allows you to sit down and help your clients pick an avatar for what they're looking forward to in the future. And then it allows you to start every meeting on a positive focus. What are they looking forward to in the future? And it's taking their minds away from the markets and things that are going on and puts it on them and their positive focus, which is really cool. But here's the best part. The second page of the website allows you to articulate your value. What's the story around Social Security and tax planning and wills and trusts and family meetings and 529 plans and long-term care? It allows you to articulate those things, put it in front of them client-facing. It fits for advisors that want to be forward-thinking, advisors that don't just want to focus on investment fees and returns, advisors that use technology. You'll need to have a second screen in your office, whether it's a TV or whether it's another monitor that you're sharing this information with. But we start every meeting at iWealth using this process. Here's why it works. I had a client recently that came in, they brought their daughter in, and all the boxes were checked. We did all the planning for them over the years. And this client brought the daughter in that worked at a top 5 tax firm in the nation. We sat down, we looked at their avatar and joked about it, we did their positive focus, and then we opened up everything that we've been doing from a planning standpoint. We showed them then performance, we showed them cash flow. We got to the end of the meeting and I looked at the daughter and said, "Do you have any questions?" And she looked at her mom and dad and said, "Mom and Dad, Brad's doing a great job for you. I love what he's doing. But he's mentioned Roth conversions a couple times and your CPA has not been on board. Maybe you need a second opinion." You see, there's no doubt in my mind, she's going to be a client someday, probably even before Mom and Dad pass away. But when they pass away, we're going to retain those assets. Fees matter in an absence of value. You can provide value by using this website. So take a look, sign up if you want. We're going to do some demo trainings for you, and I hope that you get on board and this helps make you a better advisor and create more market share with your clients. Have a great day.